all saw it in the Roomba video. Sometimes I'm lazy. Come on, don't we all just want to sit on a couch and shout, "Bring me a sandwich, fast!" Okay, I don't have a sandwich bringing tech, but I do have some cool gadgets I can show you guys. Let's start with the most common one. Smart bulbs. You have a plethora of bulbs today. Expensive, inexpensive, whatever. I have one of the least expensive and probably one of the best for the average Joe. IKEA smart bulbs. They are cheap and they do last like any other regular LED out there. You can either buy a remote and pair them, or get the gateway and get the full experience with your smartphone. Consider that the gateway needs to be plugged on your router with the Ethernet cable. After that, download the app on your phone, pair the stuff, name the bulbs, and start building your rooms and settings and play with it to your liking. You can even create moods and schedules. Plus, you can also pair your blinds, IKEA blinds, of course. Let me show that. Let's head to the next one. Smart assistants. You have a handful of them today, but let's talk about Amazon Alexa. You can buy small echoes and populate your house with smart speakers, packing a microphone array, and they will listen to your voice and carry out the orders.
Alexa, kitchen light on.
Okay.
Alexa, kitchen light to red.
Okay.
Alexa, kitchen light off.
Okay.
There's a big world behind this assistant. Skills, custom routines, games, you name it. Connect your music streaming account and bang, music everywhere in your house. And synced.
Alexa, play TuneIn Radio everywhere.
Getting the last TuneIn station you listened to, M80 Radio. Playing on the Everywhere group.
You can get the iRobot skill and start bossing around your Roomba too.
Alexa, tell Roomba to go home.
It's so good to sit down and figure out that you left the bathroom light on, but you don't really have to sit up, go back, and turn it off. You also have sensors from IKEA available to do this on and off automatically. And if you're sleepy, just dim the lights while you're sitting or laying on the couch.
Alexa, living room lights to minimum.
And finally, for today's video, an infrared blaster, the Harmony Hub from Logitech. They will control everything non-smart, even TVs from 2 decades ago if necessary.
Alexa, volume up on TV. Alexa, TV off.
And why not controlling your HVAC?
Alexa, turn off climate.
See? Be a lazy guy and start bossing around in your house. Are you thinking about how hard can this be? Don't be. No special skills is required. Everything I've showed you is super simple actually. Just download the app, set up the app, and inside it will show you step by step. Either be the IKEA Home Smart app or the Alexa app or the Harmony app. It's pretty simple. Just make sure you have a strong Wi-Fi signal around your house. With this Wi-Fi mesh kit, you guessed it, from ASUS, and it's all good to go. And if you're rocking an ROG router, don't worry, most of them are compatible with AI mesh systems, like this one. And that's it. Super simple. Maybe next time I'll do a review about this awesome mesh kit, ASUS Lyra Mini. Don't forget to subscribe to see that. Well, smash that like button and see you next time.
The lights will go out in 5 minutes. Good night.